Hey guys, today's video is part 2 of the Sonic build. We're going to be starting off with the end piece, then move on to the main body, and finally finish off with the collar. Hope you enjoy. For the ridges on the body, I decided to go with the common teardrop shape. All the filming props had slightly different shapes due to being hand machined, so these do not need to be perfect. For the milling of the main body, I am using a 2.5mm 4-flute end mill. This is the channel that is used to both extend and retract the Sonic. After the milling is done, it usually leaves quite a few sharp edges and burrs, so a quick hit with the red Scotch-Brite pad and the part is ready to be painted. Now that the main body is finished, the next part we'll be machining is the collar. For the milling of the teeth on the collar, I use this modified countersink bit. This cuts down on a lot of time and effort during the milling process. Now that all the parts are done, a quick test fit to make sure everything fits together nice and snug. There were a few bits I filmed off camera, but the process and the machining are identical to what we have done already. For the painting process, we start with an etch primer. This is specifically for metal. Then we move on to a black base coat and a white top coat. After this, it's just a matter of waiting for the cracks to form. Now that the paint is dried, I will mix up some acrylic paint to get the colour that I want. I will then lightly apply it with a brush or sponge. This does take some time to get right. After that, I will thread the 2 holes on the body. This is so that I can insert 2 grub screws that will hold the Sonic together. And here it is, the finished 10th Doctor Sonicscrewdriver. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, go and check out part 1 of the Sonic build. I'm planning on doing more builds in the future, so leave a comment of something you would like to see done. Remember to hit thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one.